Yesterday I learned a new thing on Google Calendar, and I use Calendar for over, I don't know, like 5, 6, 10 years. Typically, when I'm not available, I was doing something like not available. It was doing great, but some of my team who is not able to see this or like maybe disregard it, schedule a call with me anyway. So what I learned how you can do it, the better way to do it is, so let's do it out of office, and it's only new meetings. Invitation will be declined if somebody invite me on that specific day, specific time, or only new and existing meetings. So if I, let's say, use new and existing meetings, so everything that I already have scheduled will be declined automatically. So I just want to do only new meetings, invitation, and save and decline. This one I will delete. So I will not be available for this period, and I will not be available until, so like that, save and decline. So this one I want to delete, so surround. So it's a quick thing that I learned recently. Let me know if you have any additional questions.